Hi everyone. I want Little Haiti to live forever.
Ndame que Little Haiti a toujours créé même non Little Haiti pour communauté haïtienne là.
I want Little Haiti to be affordable for all working class people and for immigrants, especially Haitians.
I want Little Haiti to be a viable community.
I want Little Haiti to be a cultural mecca for all Haitians around the world and also a sanctuary for all tourists.
I want Little Haiti to be a home for us because there's many parts of it that I would like to explore.
I want Little Haiti to continue to be the meeting place for all.
Moi, j'aime Little Haiti, son espace traditionnel pour tout étranger.
I would like Little Haiti to be the most attractive and beautiful site to visit in Miami-Dade County.
I like for Little Haiti to be a safe place for all, especially the children.
The vision I see for Little Haiti is for it to maintain its integrity and its culture, and a mecca for the Haitian people.
Little Haiti is part of our history. It is our legacy. Let us all work together to save it. Save Little Haiti.
Haïtien yo sak passé. We are waiting for everybody on August 12, Saturday, August 12, at the Little Haiti Cultural Center. Nous tout ap là. I want you to be there because me, what do I want for Little Haiti to look like? I want Little Haiti to become the Times Square for the Haitians to come every Sunday, enjoy partying with families, like a Sean Mass for all the Haitians. So please, on that Saturday, August 12, from 9 to 4, we're gonna be enjoying it, partying, and then pick what do we want Little Haiti to look like. Please, I'm waiting for you on that day. Mark your calendar, or August 12, Saturday. Thank you.